Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Galaxy Mesh Office Chair. Features. With its medium back design, the Galaxy Chair is the perfect choice for the more compact user. The encased mesh backrest is contoured for support, and the mesh textile has a ventilating effect, helping to keep you cool while you work. The contoured seat pad features a waterfall seat front to help ease under-thigh pressure and maintain good blood flow. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair. And by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. To promote body movement and help maintain healthy posture, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The Galaxy comes with a black fabric seat pad with contrasting mesh, available in 5 bright colours, and is supplied with fixed height armrests. This is all set on a black frame and durable spider-style base with twin-wheel hooded casters. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852, Level 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021, Parts 1 and 2. The Galaxy comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.